Hello everyone. So today we are starting a new topic, Heron's formula. What is Heron's formula? Heron's formula is basically used to find the area of a triangle. So according to Heron's formula, area of a triangle is root under s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, where a, b, c are the sides of triangle. S represent semi-perimeter. How to calculate s? So s can be calculated. S is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. Now let's talk about triangle. What is triangle? A triangle is a closed figure having 3 sides, 3 vertices and 3 angles. There are basically 4 types of triangle. First, scalar triangle. A scalar triangle is a triangle in which all sides are unequal. Let's suppose a triangle having sides A, B, C. Then semi-perimeter will be a plus b plus c by 2. So according to Heron's formula, the area will be root under s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Our second type of triangle is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is a triangle in which 2 sides are equal and 1 is unequal side. Then s will be a plus a by 2. Area is equal to s into s minus a into s minus b. Our third type is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is a triangle in which all sides are equal. Then s will be s is equal to a plus a by 2. Then how to find area? You can simply put Heron's formula or the simplified form of Heron's formula of equilateral triangle. Then area is equal to root 3 by 4 a square, where a is the side of an equilateral triangle. It is the simplified Heron's formula for the equilateral triangle. Now fourth type is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle is a triangle in which one angle is 90 degree. The side opposite to 90 degree is known as hypotenuse and it is the longest side of the triangle. The area can be calculated by the formula half into base into perpendicular. You can say it height also. Another formula can be used in right angle triangle which is helpful to finding the sides of the triangle is Pythagoras formula, which states that hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Now let's take an example. Suppose a triangle having sides 15 cm, 14 cm and 13 cm, and you have to calculate the area using Heron's formula. So first you have to calculate the semi-perimeter. So according to formula, s is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. On putting the values, a is equal to 15, b equal to 14, c equal to 13 by 2. So 15 plus 14 plus 13 by 2 is 42 by 2 is equal to 21 centimeter. Now on using Heron's formula, area of triangle will be root under s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. On putting the values, s is equal to 21, a equal to 15, b equal to 14, c equal to 13. The values will be 21 into 21 minus 15, 21 minus 14, 21 minus 13. On solving, we get 21, 21 minus 15 is 6, 21 minus 14 is 7, 21 minus 13 is 8. Now what to do after 8? So now what you have to do is, you have to factorize the following number. So 21 can be written as 3 into 7, 6 can be written as 2 into 3, 7 is 7, 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. Now what you have to do is you have to make pair and take one number outside from the root which is making pair. आपको यहाँ पे क्या करना है, आपको यहाँ पे पेयर बनाने हैं और दो में से एक नंबर बाहर लेना है जिसका पेयर बन रहा है. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आप इस क्वेश्चन में देखिए गए तो आप देखेंगे कि 3 यहाँ पे 2 बार है, तो इन 2 में से एक 3 रूट से बाहर आ जाएगा. ऐसी 7 यहाँ पे 2 हैं तो इन 2 में से एक 7 बाहर आ जाएगा. इसी तरीके से रूट के अंदर कोई भी नंबर जो है वो सॉल्व होता है. तो यहाँ पे 4 अगर हम देखेंगे तो 1 2 3 4, तो 4 2s हैं तो उन 4 2s में से 2 2s बाहर आ जाएंगे. और अब आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. 3 into 7 into 2 into 2 is 84 centimeter square. So this is how you have to solve any question related to Heron's formula. Thank you.